Hey guys, Posthuman here, and today we're gonna participate in Humans testnet. First of all, I have to make you sure that we are participating and supporting humans until they were in the testnet phase. We supported them before and we discussed on our Russian speaking channel about what is humans and what it's for. And at this moment, shortly, the blockchain of AIs is humans, so they are creating a scalable blockchain providing the economy of the hard-driving AI, placing the humans at the face front of the AI revolution. I will leave this web page in the comments below or in the description page, and you literally will be able to look into it. But at this moment we are participating in their application called Klon. What you could do in Klon application. You have all the instructions, you have everything, so you could just click how to clone and read everything that you have to do. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet and choose your avatar, add the text, customize the video and generate. So for participation in this testnet phase, you have to have some tokens, you have to have Metamask wallet and Keplr wallet also. First, you have to come to Metamask wallet and click here and click on account details and click export private key and export your private key from your Metamask wallet. After that, you have to go to the Keplr wallet and click here and click add account, and here you have to make import existing account, and here choose the private key option and input it right here to make them connected with each other. I mean your Metamask wallet and Keplr wallet. So after you did it, you could come right here, but first you have to have some tokens for your transactions. You have to pay fees in every blockchain if you didn't already know about it. So we going to Humans Explorer. You could also visit it right here. I will also leave all the links below the video, and we have to click wallet and import address. There we have Keplr option and click next, but it's not working. Enable Keplr 4, and so it's not working. I don't know why, maybe something wrong. Let's do it once again. I just refreshed it, and here I want to click wallet, import address, and here you see enable Keplr for humans and enable Keplr. So you have to see some text right here, and there we could approve the chain. So we have our chain, humans chain called Friction in our Keplr wallet. We could also check it right here, scroll down a bit and see the Friction testnet here. I already redeemed some tokens for me. I requested it from the faucet. So to request some tokens from the faucet, you have to do thing that you are doing every time in any testnet or any chain you want to launch as validator, or you want to participate as like general user in different testnets. So you could click here on the humans address, and we are going to Discord directly and paste it right here, and using $mark we paste request here like that, and so you will get some tokens. I can redeem some tokens because I already got it. So let's do next things. So we already done for using our Klon application. So I come on the web page and click connect wallet. It will suggest me to add some chain. I will click approve here and also switch the network. And so tokens that I requested, they there because I imported my Metamask to Keplr, so they synchronized, and I think in the future we will have integration for Keplr and Metamask for both wallets. So Chinese Keanu Reeves, how are you doing today? Today we're gonna speak something that I am a participant of Humans motherfucker blockchain testnet and use Klon application. Okay, that's it. I think that's enough. And oh my, we have to choose so many different voices from there. Maybe I want to pick Brandon neutral, and let's play the demo of it. Let's listen.
I'm a participant of Humans motherfucker blockchain testnet and use Klon application.
But why he's not moving his face? So let's generate. Are you sure to execute this transaction? It will cost you 0 heart. So I'm sure I have such a 0 heart tokens for it. So right here we have to confirm. I just confirmed this transaction, guys. It's so exciting. Let's wait a little bit. So I'm a Posthuman validator. If you don't want, we have our own merch and we'll launch it very soon. More details in our communities. Today we are speaking about Humans AI. So it will be very, very cool tooling for everyone who want to make some synthetic videos using. Also, if you scroll down a bit, you could be a synthetic replica of yourself. So potentially you would have an opportunity to become a synthetic voice and synthetic video for many different users in future. I already made it in the real life when I met guys from the Humans team. It was incredible. The Vali made a video with me on his laptop in just literally in seconds, and it was really incredible. He just recorded me and uploaded into a blockchain and made some his technical magic, and I became a synthetic. But let's listen.
I'm a participant of Humans motherfucker blockchain testnet and use Klon application.
Yeah, that's it. That's cool. So I have to download it.
I'm a participant of Humans motherfucker.
Yeah, I got it. So guys, if you was interested in this video, so participate in testnet application of Humans.zone. Also participate in Humans blockchain development. Leave the comment below, share this video if you find this helpful for you. So see you guys. Bye.